If you know that you have been uploading your YouTube videos directly to public, or you've been uploading using this plus icon, then you have been making a very big mistake, and this could likely be the reason why you have not been getting any views on your post. Whenever you want to post a video, YouTube will ask you for the visibility you want, either private, public, schedule. And as a new YouTuber who doesn't really know much about YouTube, you go ahead and click public, and you'll be sitting down in your home comfortably waiting for your videos to start getting views. But sadly enough, you will not be getting views. That is depressing. That is a mistake you have made on that particular video, and this is a mistake that those big creators will not do. Okay, when you are posting on YouTube, you are supposed to give YouTube time to actually assess your videos, see what your video content is all about, and know who to post your content to. And if you don't give YouTube time, YouTube will actually push your videos to the wrong audience, people that are not interested in your kind of content. And when such people come across it, they will just ignore and pass. If people that YouTube have pushed the videos to ignore, YouTube will assume that is not a good content, and then they will hide your content. Okay, yeah, I know the question on your mind will not be, since you don't want me to choose public, which do you want me to choose? That is where this video comes in. Okay, because in this video I'm going to be telling you the actual visibility that is good for your video upload on YouTube, so that you can get more views here and more subscribers. If this is something you like to watch, please join the family by subscribing to this channel, like this video, turn on the bell icon close to the subscription button, so that you get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Okay, that being said, my name is Jogbewe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how you can grow on YouTube. So if this is something you like, you can go through my playlist to help you with all of your YouTube issues and worries. Okay, now let's just dive right into this tutorial, guys.
So guys, to get this done, you just go to Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome, you can download it. Okay, search for YouTube dashboard, just as it is on mine already. YouTube dashboard. Wait for it to load. Click on this first one. Okay, it will redirect you back to the desktop site. Okay, if you have a laptop, it's just directly. But if you're using a phone, you need the desktop site to upload and be able to put all of these features. Okay, you see this place where it says create, this plus icon, create. Click on it and upload videos. Okay, click on select files. This is after you must have changed your video name. Okay, I told you the essence of changing your video name is to make your video searchable. YouTube can be able to search or bring out your video when somebody is searching for that exact same topic or title of your video. Do you understand? So click on this select file. Click on choose files. I have just a short video that I want to use to show this tutorial. It's a short video anyway, so I have to upload fast, so this video will not be too long. So this is it, guys. Here you're supposed to put in the title. Okay, the title is required in this particular place, but it already chose it as sample video. Let me show you something here. It come over this side. Are you seeing this file name? Sample video. That was why I saved that video with. YouTube has already tagged it as sample video. So whenever somebody comes on YouTube to search for sample videos, this video will be suggested. Do you understand? So whatever title of your video, you can as well use to, whatever title you want for your video, you can use to rename your video to be that same title. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So look at it, sample video. So now, this is a title. It has automatically selected it as well. Then this description you are seeing, you can add your description, and then all of this is just a default settings on my account. Okay, whenever I want to write, I'll just write above these videos you will like, because all these things comes underneath my description. Okay, instead of me to be putting you video links at every upload, I just put it in default settings. So if you would like to know how to do this, you can drop it in the comment section and I will explain how to do it. So any video I post now, all of these things you are saying, they will automatically join the description of the video. Do you understand? Because I post on a daily basis, I cannot be going to set it up every day. So that's it. Again, this place is for the thumbnail. Normally it's supposed to show, but because this video is a short video, it's a 1 minute video, it's identified as a short. Okay, that's why it's not showing right here. But this is where you put your thumbnail. Okay, you can use one thumbnail, you can use 3 thumbnails right here. Then this playlist is just for you to choose a playlist and put it. Okay, now audience, please, this place is very important. Put it in no, it's not meant for kids. Okay, unless you are doing children content. But there's somebody I saw, a video was so nice yesterday on YouTube, and I wanted to comment after liking the video. I could not comment because It was telling me that you cannot comment for videos meant for kids. That was when I realized that she didn't even know she made a mistake with her upload. And that video was about almost a year and it had about 13 views. As nice as it was, that little mistake cost her a lot of views. So guys, please don't forget to. This one is just a default settings. I set it up inside my upload settings. Okay. If you don't know how to do it, you can let me know and I'll teach you how to do it. So yeah. You see this place where it says show more. Click on it. I don't have a paid promotion, so I will pass on that. Authored content, no. Okay, automatic, okay. All of these things, I leave it turned on. So you see these tags, this is also a default settings, okay? Because I do a tutorial about YouTube growth, I just put it as a default setting. So any video I upload, even if I forget to put tags or the others, YouTube will automatically put it here. It's also the same default settings that is working for my description and my tags, okay? So guys, it's advisable you put it for your own too, so you don't forget to do any of them. Unless, of course, you can be going back and forth. But for me, I can't really do that. So it's on default settings. Then if I want to add, I will not add. But these ones are the main tags, okay? Now, video language, English. I just put it on English. Then you see this allow a bidding. Click on it. Publish your subscriptions feed. Allow it. Allow video and audio remixing, okay? Now, categories and that thing, how to and style. Please, whatever kind of content you are doing, put your category. If you don't know how to choose a category, you can leave it in the comment section. Just tell me your kind of content. I'll go to your videos and check, and I'll let you know which category you should select for your videos, okay? Comments and ratings. Yes, always put this one on basic because of some kind of comments that can cause harm to yourself, to your channel, okay? Then, you see these parts. It says show how many viewers like the videos. Yes, click on it so that people will be, you'll be transparent. People like transparency, okay? Now, when you are done with that, click on next. Okay, this is a place you can add related videos because it's a short video. They're showing you related videos. There are sometimes you see people's short videos. You see a video link underneath their description to write related videos. This is where you put it, okay? Subtitles are also added. Then if this was a long video, like at least 4 minutes long, it to show end screens, okay? But it's not here now. But this is where you put end screens and cards, okay? So let's just go. Click on next. Are you seeing this part? It said checks, no issues found. This is copyright check. If there was any issue on this particular video upload, YouTube would have told me that there's copyright on this particular video. Do you understand? But for now, no issues found. So guys, click on next. This is the reason why we are here today. Visibility. Are you seeing my own? I've not even touched it, but we already have a default settings, which is the unlisted, okay? This private is only you and YouTube that can see it. Then most people click on this public because they are new to YouTube. They don't really know how YouTube works. Please don't click on public. Even if you have missed your upload time, leave it there. It's better you let YouTube go through that video than uploading it in a hurry and not getting what you want. Do you understand? So this unlisted is better because it's anyone with the video link that can actually watch, and you can as well watch it, and YouTube can also watch it. So when you put it here, after a while, like 2 hours to 24 hours before you now come back and make it public, by then YouTube is done checking all of the data on that video and they'll be able to distribute it accordingly, okay? Then this schedule is also good, just that it's only when you have a date and time. Do you understand? Because when you are putting schedule to ask you for date and time, and if you don't have date and time, it will not be funny. And if you are going back to your videos to go and be changing date and time, if you do it up to 3-4 times, it will affect the performance of that video. Do you understand? Maybe you put it in 6 p.m. before and I say, oh, I don't want 6 p.m. anymore, I want 7:15. You now went back there, changed it to 8:30. You went back there, changed it to 9. It will affect the performance of the video. So in order for you to avoid things like that, that's why unlisted is better. And when you put it on unlisted and finally publish it, you will see your video getting views, going viral in just a space of some hours, okay? So guys, this is it for today. When you are done, click on save. That's all.
If this video was helpful to you, if you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and lastly, share to your friends and families. That being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.